created this meditation series for people who want to begin meditation in a simple, gentle, and realistic way. You do not need experience. You do not need a perfectly quiet mind, and you do not need to do this perfectly. This is simply a space to slow down, breathe, and learn how to return to yourself one moment at a time. Most people believe meditation means stopping thoughts. And because of that, many people believe they are failing. But meditation was never about becoming empty. It was never about forcing silence, and it was never about having a perfect mind. Meditation begins much more simply. It begins by noticing. Noticing the breath, noticing the body, noticing the movement of the mind without fighting it. If your thoughts are busy today, you are not doing anything wrong. You are simply becoming aware of what was already there. Take a slow breath in, not too deeply, and gently exhale. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your jaw to relax. Allow the muscles around your eyes to rest. There is nowhere to rush now, nothing to solve for this moment. Just sit and breathe naturally. You do not need to control your breathing. You do not need to force calmness. You only need to notice that breathing is already happening. Air moving in, air moving out. And while you sit here, your mind may continue producing thoughts. This is normal, completely normal. Thoughts are not proof of failure. Thoughts are what minds do. Meditation is simply learning not to be pulled away by every thought. Imagine sitting beside a river. Leaves float gently across the water. Each leaf is a thought, a memory, a worry, a plan, a distraction. You do not need to jump into the river. You do not need to stop the current. You only watch as each thought passes by. Some thoughts may feel loud, some emotional, some repetitive. That is all right. Each time you notice you became lost in thought and gently return to the breath, you are succeeding. That return is meditation, not perfection, not silence, the return. Again and again, without judgment, without frustration, without pressure. Now simply rest quietly for a moment. Nothing to achieve, nothing to force, just breathing. Take another gentle breath in and slowly exhale. Today was not about becoming enlightened. It was not about clearing the mind. It was simply about beginning. A calm mind is not created through force. It is created through patience, through repetition, through kindness toward yourself. Even a few quiet moments each day can slowly change the way you experience stress, thoughts, and emotion. You are not late. You are not bad at meditation, and you do not need a perfect mind to continue. You only need the willingness to return. As this session ends, carry this feeling gently into the rest of your day. And when you are ready, continue tomorrow with your first breathing meditation. Breathe slowly and begin again.